Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chris and my fiancee, and this is episode 7, and we'll be doing ostrich burgers, what else? Duck, chicken
and turkey bacon.
And turkey bacon. I didn't even know that's a thing until we went shopping earlier, so yeah, we will see what it's like. Alright, what we have here is that's the turkey bacon, ostrich burgers, that's some duck, and that is chicken with Cajun seasoning. And by the way, if anyone's had turkey bacon before, I would love anyone to comment, tell me what it's like, because this is the first time for me trying. Okay. And we also have some basil, which has gone on the duck and the chicken. Oh, some more being sprinkled on. Oh, parsley as well. Extra one. And we also have some mushrooms and some corn on the cobs. And what's on top of the mushrooms here is chives, rosemary and paprika. Yeah. And see what that's going to turn out like. Oh, I know it's going to turn out. It's going to be turning out bloody lovely. And there it is, going in the oven. Oh yes, beautiful. And here are some cheese rolls, ready for ostrich burgers when they're ready. I'll probably have ketchup in mine, just to be boringly normal, but that's what I like. Oh, look at those sizzling mushrooms. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that. It's coming on very nicely indeed. Look at that. Cooking perfectly. The ostrich burgers looking very nice. Turkey bacon. I don't know, never had them before, but they're looking good. Everything's looking good so far. Amazing. Hi guys, just a mushroom. Oh, that's exquisite. Top of the range. Flipping the burgers over, getting them evenly cooked.
I think it's from the duck.
Well, yeah, but that does taste lovely.
Ew, should I spill some out?
If you want. So it's toasting the buns.
Ow.
There you go.
Yeah.
Lovely job there. Got some salad preparation, got some lovely olives. And here it is all cooked. Got the mashed potato here, chicken, turkey bacon and ostrich burgers. Got some onions and mushrooms. And here it is on the plate. Can't wait to tuck into that. I might put some ketchup on that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Scrumptious. Oh, that's just delicious. Really, really mega amazing. Alright, that's one finished meal. That food was thoroughly amazing. Absolutely. Oh, that was delicious. Alright, so thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe for more. Yeah. Definitely gonna start doing some different, try cooking some different foods. Thanks to my fiance for doing the cooking. Thank you very much. Yeah, keep watching, subscribe for more. Thank you.